Hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about soil. So, it is the thin layer of greenish substance covering the surface of the earth. And soil is interlinked or closely connected with land and different landforms like mountains, valleys, rocks, etc. So, soil is mainly made up of organic matters, minerals, and weathered rocks, and these process of soil formation it is going to take place uh, with the help of weathering. So, weathering is process of chemical and mechanical breaking down of rocks. Then factors of soil formation. The two major factors of soil formation are parent rocks. Chemical factors are parent rock factor and chemical factor. So under parent rock factor, so color, texture, chemical properties of rock determine the soil formation. And chemical factors, it includes temperature, rainfall, then time, humidity, and other factors. Then the major factor of soil formation are nature of the parent rock and climatic factor. So how in the previous standard, in 6th standard, we discussed or we came to know about rock different type of rocks and rock cycle. So breaking down of rock into sediments into metamorphic. So this process further it determines for the formation of tiny objects, tiny particles, tiny materials in the form of soil. So here soil is mainly formed how the parent rock is mainly observed or found. Then climatic factor, as I told, rainfall, temperature, humidity, time, and other natural factors. So other factors of soil formation are topography. So before this we told study of the surface of the earth or soil. So the role of organic materials and time taken for composition of soil formation. Organic materials means the different process of soil formation which take place under and on the surface of the earth. So it may be humidity, it may be temperature, it may be the other factor. So for these process of soil formation, time is also the most important factor. Then parent rock factor, always it determine the color, texture, chemical properties, mineral, then content and probability of the soil. So how the rock is, based on that the soil is going to be formed on the basis of color, its a texture, chemical properties, minerals and others. Then relief factor determines the altitude and the slope of the accumulation of soil. So the soil formed about a few meters on the surface of the earth. So relief factor means the slope of the region. Then wind blowing, then water running from one place to another place. So all these different relief factor, so they also makes the accumulation means it is the process of depositing, collecting, storing the soil in one particular region. Then flora, fauna and microorganisms affect the rate of humus formation in the soil. So after soil formation, so the soil in a region, there the flora, fauna and the microorganisms which are available in that particular region, so they affect to determine the rate of humus contents and humus formation in the soil. So all the soil is not going to be treated or accepted as rich in terms of fertility or good in terms of agricultural activities or cultivational activities, so it is going to be considered as good and best when there will be the rich availability of humus contents and microorganisms in the soil. So with this, let us end today's session. We will continue about other part of the topic in tomorrow's session. So take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.